The environmental and energy transition challenges of the world are becoming more concerning in light of climate change. And it is now clear that new and innovative technologies will be needed. Geothermal energy is a globally scalable resource. It's available anywhere and everywhere. There are plenty of wonderful technologies which have been developed over the years to access and utilize this energy. It is important to remember that technological advancements making geothermal more scalable and widespread are central to the goals of all geothermal technologies. Accessing more and more of the Earth's natural battery, its energy, is going to be essential for geothermal to have a material contribution to the global energy transformation. From just one section of the Earth's crust, when using these geothermal technologies, there is enough energy to power all of humanity for hundreds of thousands of years. With this combination of different approaches and different technologies, we finally have a way of turning geothermal into a massively scalable, renewable, baseload energy resource. Today, there are two main ways of extracting geothermal energy from the Earth. The traditional approach is to find a hot, permeable aquifer and to bring that water to surface in much the same way you produce oil or gas. The main reason this approach to geothermal energy development has not succeeded in most of the world is that the required geological conditions don't exist in very many places. The alternative approach is a closed-loop system as championed by Eavor. A working fluid circulates in isolation from any reservoir, meaning no fluid exchange and no need for that hard-to-find permeable aquifer. A natural thermosiphon drives this system so there is no pumping required. In addition, there is no fracking, no induced seismicity, and no greenhouse gas emissions. Eavor is continuously developing its drilling technologies and techniques to allow us to go deeper to reach hotter temperatures for a lower cost. Eavor is a conduction-based system and is designed to profoundly increase geothermal scalability. Conduction systems are the critical and key difference to enable geothermal from the rare to almost anywhere and everywhere on the planet. Think of the Eavor as a super deep, industrial-scale geo-exchange system. It provides highly predictable and reliable power, and the system can be tailored to the required output. This means the system is low risk and predictable. Geographically, for a conduction-based system such as an Eavor there are no special conditions required. Eavor can be placed almost anywhere. This means it's scalable. Additionally, using the thermosiphon effect, which removes the drawdown of a parasitic pump load, dramatically increases the efficiency of the system. It essentially provides more electricity to sell. The Eavor system consists of two wells drilled to the target depth. A radiator section is then built by drilling and connecting successive lateral pairs. Eavor's 1.0 design, also known as the James Joyce configuration, is the commercial version of the demonstration facility. It uses a single drilling location for both vertical wells. Once at depth, the wells turn approximately 90 degrees and then split into multilaterals to create more surface area for the working fluid to be in contact with the rock, therefore increasing heat extraction and overall efficiency. Through advancements in drilling technology, Eavor is developing a 2.0 design, angling the multilaterals deeper into the rock to greatly increase overall heat extraction. This means it's stackable, which allows for more scale and power at a single location. Add that an Eavor is totally emissions-free, has a small and benign surface footprint. We are now seeing a path to first diversifying energy, then transitioning and bringing change to our world. Our Earth is an almost endless source of renewable heat energy just waiting to be utilized. With Eavor and the Eavor we can use that heat to generate electricity, heat or cool our homes and businesses, and contribute to energy security and independence with a truly renewable, always-on, reliable, scalable energy source. The time is now. Energy forever.